Want to say I have traveled or she has eaten in Spanish? This lesson teaches you the pretérito perfecto in full detail, a tense you'll use constantly to talk about recent experiences and life events, with enough irregular forms covered that you won't get caught off guard. Hi, I'm Andres. Welcome back to our Spanish Grammar for Beginners A1, A2 course. This is Lesson 11. The present perfect is formed with two parts. The verb haber, conjugated, plus the past participle of the main verb. Haber in the present tense, yo he, tú has, él, ella ha, nosotros hemos, vosotros habéis, ellos, ellas han. Important. This haber is only used as a helper verb here. It has nothing to do with hay, which means there is or are. Don't confuse the two. To form regular past participles, AR verbs, hecho, hablar, hablado, trabajar, trabajado. AR verbs, ido, comer, comido, beber, bebido. ER verbs, ido, vivir, vivido, salir, salido. Now the irregular past participles. These don't follow the ido pattern, and they're extremely common, so they're worth memorizing as a set. Hacer, hecho, decir, dicho, escribir, escrito, ver, visto, poner, puesto, abrir, abierto, volver, vuelto, morir, muerto, romper, roto. A quick side note, ser and ir actually have perfectly regular participles, sido and ido, even though both verbs are wildly irregular everywhere else. So, he sido, I have been, and he ido, I have gone, follow the normal IR pattern. No exceptions needed there. These irregular participles hecho, dicho, escrito, visto, puesto, abierto, vuelto, muerto, roto are considered a closed, fixed group. There are no new additions, so once you memorize them, you've covered essentially all of the common ones you'll encounter. Let's combine haber and participles in full natural sentences. Yo he hablado con ella esta mañana. I have spoken with her this morning. Tú has comido mucho hoy. You have eaten a lot today. Él ha hecho la tarea. He has done the homework. Nosotros hemos vivido aquí por 10 años. We have lived here for 10 years. Vosotros habéis escrito una carta. You all have written a letter. Spain. Ellos han visto la película 2 veces. They have seen the movie twice. ¿Has abierto la ventana? Have you opened the window? Nunca he roto nada en esta casa. I have never broken anything in this house. A common mistake is trying to apply the regular ido pattern to verbs like hacer, decir, or ver, producing incorrect forms like hacido or decido, which actually means something else entirely. Decido means I decide. Since this irregular list is short and closed, the fastest path to fluency here is simply memorizing all of them together as a fixed group, the same way you'd memorize irregular past tense verbs in English: go, gone, not goed. You now have a complete detailed tool for talking about recent experiences and life events. But to really tell stories about specific moments in the past, you'll need the simple past tense, the pretérito indefinido, which is exactly what we cover next.